The next we'll move for the second phase, that is reproductive phase. First phase is the juvenile phase, second phase is the reproductive phase. What is the meaning of reproductive phase here? Okay, it is the time when the human organism sexually reproduces. Means it is the time, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್, ಈ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ when the human organisms sexually reproduces, started reproduction. Okay, this phase is called as a reproductive phase. For example, some plants show flowering in a particular season. Means what? Again we are taking the example of plants only. When plant is start producing flowers, okay, that period we will call as a reproductive phase. That phase of the plant we will call as a reproductive phase. Is that clear? In the the female placental animals exhibit cyclic changes in activities, ovaries and accessory gland as well as hormone during the reproductive phase. What happens in the reproductive phase means, in a humans, we will take an example of humans only, the many hormonal changes will occurs. The many hormonal changes will occurs. Okay, especially in the females. Okay, there are two types of cycle. Okay, we are take as a human being or the animals. The first one is a menstrual cycle. Okay, it occurs in a monkeys and the human beings. The first one is a menstrual cycle. It occurs in the monkeys and the human beings. First of all, what is reproductive phase means? The organism start the reproduction. Okay, organism reproduction ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫೇಸಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ reproductive phase ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಗಿಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ that phase ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ particular tree or the particular plant is in the reproductive phase. Okay, we are taking over the example of females only. The female placental animals exhibit cyclic changes. Cyclic changes ಆಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗ in activities, ovaries and the accessory glands as well as hormone during the reproductive phases. Okay, first cycle which we are taking the example of menstrual cycle. It ಎದ್ರೊಳಗಾಗ್ತಾವಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು it occurs in monkeys and the human beings. Cycle consists of three phases. That particular cycle consists of three phases: menstrual, proliferative and the secretory phase. Okay, menstrual, proliferative and the secretory phase. ಇವೆಲ್ಲನೂ next chapter ಒಳಗೆ discuss ಮಾಡಮು. What happens in the menstrual cycle means blood flows in the last few days of the cycle. Okay, blood flows in the last few days of the cycle. During that time what happens means the endometrium is broken and is passed out during the menstruation. Okay, during this period, during this cycle, menstrual cycle, okay, period, female does not permit copulation. The female does not permit the copulation. The second cycle is called as a estrous cycle. Okay, here in menstrual cycle, during the menstrual cycle what happens means the female does not permit the copulation. Okay, then they will not produce any ovaries. Okay, then In the second one is the estrus cycle. It occurs in the cow, sheep, rat, deer, dog, tiger, etc. It consists of a short period of estrus or heat. It is 12 to 24 hours in a cow. Okay, we are taking the example of cow means what is the estrus cycle period means 12 to 24 hours. Okay, 12 to 24 hours. Blood does not flow in this cycle. The broken endometrium is reabsorbed. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ blood will not flow, whereas menstrual cycle blood will flow. Here blood will not flow and the broken endometrium is reabsorbed. Okay, here the female permits copulation only during the estrus period. ಇಲ್ಲಿ not permitted ಇರ್ತದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ only during this phase only the female permitted the copulation. Okay, the female permitted the copulation. Both the plants and animals hormones are responsible for the transition between different phases of life cycle. Interaction between hormones and environmental factor regulate the reproductive phase. Okay, the next we will move for the senescent phase. We'll move for the senescent phase. What happens in the senescent phase means it is the time when an organism grows older and loses the reproductive capacity. Antandra senescent phase means end of the phase. End of the phase means first juvenile phase olaga antandra birth to the before formation of maturity, that is called as a juvenile phase. Reproductive phase olaga actually here reproduction started. Okay, actually here reproduction started. Then senescent phase andra it is the end phase, means the animals or a plant will become older. Okay, he become older and loses the reproductive capacity. Avu tamdu reproduction agad capacity anna kalkoth hogtav. This phase we will called as a senescent phase. This phase we will called as a senescent phase. Okay, it is okay, point wise nodidre it is the end of the reproductive phase and old age ultimately leads to the death. Of course reproductivity kalkota admele enagirtada, they are leading to the death. Okay, clear? Today what we have discussed it means the three phases in the sexual reproduction: the juvenile phase, reproductive phase and the senescent phase. What happens in the juvenile phase? Juvenile phase means it is the period, a time period means birth to the before formation of a maturity. Before formation of the maturity, that complete period we will called as a juvenile phase. Whereas the reproductive phase means when the maturity bantu. Maturity means they are start reproduction. The animals, plant, what we have taken that started reproduction means that particular phase we will called as a reproductive phase. Then comes to the senescent phase. Senescent phase antandre enu? It is the end phase, means the animals or plant loses their reproductive capacity. Okay, clear?